How to log into KPMG Career. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Tech Basics. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into KPMG Career. Login in KPMG Career is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser. Launch your preferred web browser such as Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, etc. Navigate to KPMG Career login page. In the address bar, type in KPMG Career login and press enter. Access the login section. Look for the sign in or login option. This is typically located at top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Enter your credential in the email address field. Enter the email address associated with your KPMG Career account and enter your password in the provided field. Click the sign in button to proceed. Two-factor authentication if enabled. If your account has two-factor authentication enabled, you will need to enter the verification code sent to your mobile phone or email. Access KPMG Career dashboard. After successfully login, you should be directed to KPMG Career dashboard. From here, you can access various features including job application, profile information and other career resources. That's it, you have logged in successfully. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. Also hit the subscribe button for more tutorials.